Now this question becomes very simple for you if you remember some of the properties which are related to parallelograms. Now one of the most important property that in this question will be used about parallelograms is the sum of the squares of the diagonals d1 square plus d2 square is equal to the sum of the squares of all the four sides. So if I'll say that L and B are the two sides of the parallelogram, then sum of the squares of all the four sides, it will be twice of L square plus twice of B square. Okay, so d1 square plus d2 square is equal to twice of L1 square plus L square plus B square, right? Now here you are given that the sum of the squares of the two diagonals, so d1 square plus d2 square is given as 578. Now equating these two, we can say that the value of L square plus B square will be equal to 578 divided by 2, and that will be equal to 289. So the sum of the squares of the adjacent sides of this parallelogram comes out to be 289. Now further, it is also given that the area of this parallelogram is 60 root 3, and one of the angles of the parallelogram is 60 degrees. So the formula for area of parallelogram is L into B sine of theta, where theta is the included angle between the sides, and this is given as 60 under root 3. So L into B sine of 60 degrees, sine of 60 degrees is equal to 60 root 3. So from here, substituting the value of sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. So the product of L and B will be equal to 120. Okay, so now we have this relation L square plus B square is equal to 289, and we have L into B as 120. Now using these two, we have to find out the difference in the lengths of the two adjacent sides. Okay, so I'll use the formula L minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square, this formula can be used, which can be written as L square plus B square minus twice of LB. Okay, so this will come out to be 289, which is the value of L square plus B square, minus twice of LB. LB is 120, so 120 into 2 is 240. So L minus B whole square is equal to 49, and hence L minus B will be equal to 7. So this is the answer, that is 7 is the answer for this question. All right, so that was question number 17, and now let's move on to the next question.